Hey guys, let's get ready to do a new math skill today. I am gonna just read you your I can statement out loud because I didn't have time to get it posted up here. So today's I can statement is I can multiply by one-digit numbers. Okay, so we're gonna be multiplying one-digit numbers by multi-digit numbers. All right. So it's not just as simple as a one digit by a one digit that you all did in third grade. All right, so here we go. I've got a word problem for you here. It says each day an airline flies 9 commercial jets from New York to London, England. Each plane holds 293 passengers. That's a key amount right there. If every seat is taken on all flights, how many passengers fly on this airline in one day? All right. So I wanted us to think and connect this back to our lessons the previous days where we've been multiplying powers of 10, like 300. Okay, 300 is 3 times 10 to the second power times a one-digit amount. So our basic fact here is 3 times 9, which is 27. And then we just add our 2 zeros because we're multiplying by 10 to the second power. So 2,700 is an estimate for this problem. We've already estimated what we think our exact answer is going to be close to. All right, so remember this amount. There's going to be about 2,700 passengers flying on this airline in one day. That's a lot of people. But now we want to find the exact answer. So to help us find what is reasonable, we're hoping that it's going to be close to this number here, okay, 2,700. All right, so I'm going to set up the problem. It's 293 times 9, all right, because there's 9 commercial jets that fly, all right, 293 passengers on each, all right. A lot of you are going to remember some of this from last year. You did a skill like this where you multiplied using place value, but you didn't do a whole lot with up to 3-digit amounts. So we're going to first start in the ones place. That's our first step. So we start with our 3 times our 9, and each one of these numbers will multiply the 9. Okay, we'll multiply by the 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. Put your 7 ones here and regroup your 2 10s. Okay, and that means you're done with that 3. So you can choose to cross that out if that helps you. In the next step, we're going to multiply our 10s by our 9. So 9 10s, or 9 times 9 is 81. And then you add your 2 more, just like you do when you regroup. When you add, you're going to add these 2 on. So 9 times 9 is 81, plus 2 more is 83. So 3 1s and 8 10s. You're done with that 9 and you're done with that 2. So you could cross those out. Okay, you don't need those anymore. And then you're going to just multiply the 200s by the 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. And 18 plus 8 is 26. All right? And then we're going to insert our comma here. And we're done with those 2. And now you have your final answer, 2,637. Now let's think, is that close to our estimate of 2,700? Well, yes, it is, because 2,637 is just, what, about 60-something away from 2,700, so it is close. So we know that that is correct. So to be exact, 2,637 passengers fly on this airline in one day. Maybe it's Southwest Airlines, maybe it's American Airlines, whatever it is. That is how many fly that. Okay, that's really it. It's not too bad, not too hard. You're gonna have a mixture probably of word problems and place value.
24, connect to the gym.
And
24,
go out and practice, work hard, and do a good job. I would think you're gonna need whiteboards or pencil and paper to work these problems out in Think Central, okay?